Red Magic 9 Pro just launched before few days ago. Fast refresh rate OLED display, 2024 flagship processor, superb in design, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you in-depth review of the Red Magic 9 Pro, a gaming-centric phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the design. The phone design features a sleek, flat profile that extends to the both sides, creating a completely flat back surfaces. The back boasts a matte finish, adding an attractive touch, complemented by an eye-catching RGB light that gives the phone a gaming-inspired look. Additionally, the phone adopts a square shape, which is a notable change. Speaking specifically about the Red Magic 9 Pro's display, it sports a rich 6.8-inch OLED display powered by BOE's Q9 technology. This time it comes with an impressive 1116 by 24 80 pixel resolution display, marking the best display among all previous Red Magic phones. This display boasts a remarkable 2160Hz high-frequency dimming features, providing an excellent eye protection, suppressing even the iPhone 15 Pro Max in this aspect. With an under-the-display camera, this phone offers a full-screen experience, achieving a screen-to-body ratio up to 93.7%. The viewing experience is stunning, promising and impressive. This time, the under-the-display camera is notably better compared to the previous generation. Not only in the camera size improved, but the hidden effect of the camera is also more refined, offering a great level of hiding and perfection compared to the before. However, similar to the earlier version, there might still be a slightly foggy look in the selfies. Yet, there have been noticeable changes in the camera algorithm this time around. Generally, gaming phones tend to have the decent but not outstanding cameras. In the Red Magic 9 Pro, there is a visible improvement in the camera department as well. In terms of the camera comparison with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the Red Magic 9 Pro stands out. Primarily as the gaming phone promising exceptional performance. It's equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, UFS 4.0 storage and LPDDR5X RAM, creating a top tier of the line combination. When you look at the Antutu score, it suppresses 2.2 millions, which is notably higher compared to the Xiaomi 14 series. Additionally, the Geekbench 6 core showcases the 1687 points for the single core and 6466 points for the multi-core, highlighting its powerful performance capabilities. The gaming performance on this phone reaches the highest level. In Honor of King, the average frame rate can go up to 120.6 fps while playing the Genshin Impact at the highest setting at 60 fps. The average frame rate reaches 60.1 fps. This particular gaming performance with Genshin Impact is quite surprising because despite other phones launched with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, none have been able to consistently deliver the full frame in the Genshin Impact. The phone features the ICE 13 cooling system enclosing the VC area of 10,182 square mm and an alloy Shark high-speed centrifugal fan. This setup ensures an extremely efficient heat dissipation system. After playing Genshin Impact at the highest setting for 30 minutes, the front temperature of the phone reaches 38.1 degrees, while the back temperature reaches 35.5 degrees. This speaks to the effectiveness of the cooling system in maintaining the temperature during the intense gaming sessions. Overall, the Red Magic 9 Pro outperforms other flagship phones in terms of the performance. It boasts an extra large 6500 mAh battery, providing a significantly improved battery life. Even after 4 hours of heavy use, the battery still retains 63% capacity. Additionally, it supports 80-watt fast charging, capable of fully charge the battery from 0 to 100% in just 30 minutes, which is impressive considering the 6500 mAh battery capacity. Speaking of the operating system, the Red Magic 9 Pro runs on Red Magic OS 9.0, providing a smooth and seamless animation experience. As for the pricing, the base variant starts around 4,399 Chinese yuan in China, roughly 492 pounds in the UK and $621 in the US. In conclusion, the phone delivers the outstanding performance, boasts a superb display, significantly improved its camera capabilities and comes equipped with the large battery, which contributes to a slightly heavier build. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.